In this video, learn how to turn from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shorts to one single short. Now open your Power BI and let's start. As you can see, we have here 6 charts for sales by gender, category, SKU, channel, and city. So now we will go to modeling, new parameter, field. It will open a new window. Rename the parameters to sales by measure and then choose the fields. We're going to choose category, gender, age, city, channel, and SKUs. Make sure that Add Slicer to this page is clicked. Now click on Create and here we go. As you can see, this is the DAX code for our field parameter. So I'm going to change the ship city and change it to city. I'm going to change the title of this measure and then click Save. Now let's remove the 5 charts. We don't need them anymore. We're just going to keep one. Next, we will adjust our slicer. Go to Format this visual and then choose Slicer Settings, make it tile, and adjust its size and format. I'm going to copy its format from this card and I'll paste it here. So I'll align the main chart with the cards and the field parameter slicer so everything is visually consistent. Now if we go to Build Visual in Visualizations and look at the y-axis, we will see that we are here analyzing sales by SKUs. But actually what we want here is to analyze the sales by whatever measure we choose from the sales measure slicer above. So what we will do, we will go to our table that we have just created, sales by measure, and drop the field sales by measure in the y-axis of our main chart. And remove the SKU field from our visual. We don't need it anymore in the y-axis. And voila! Perfect. Now this is the magic here. You can use one chart and analyze the sales by whatever option you choose from the slicer above. So you can analyze by gender, city, channel, SKU, or whatever. There's one field missing in our option slicer. Can you guess which one? Write down in the comments below. Now let's have a look at the title of our chart. As you can see, it doesn't change when we change the options from the slicer. So we need our title to be dynamic to change its name when we choose a different measure from our slicer. So now we will go to our visualization, build your visual, general. So the title is off, so I wasn't selecting the chart. Now I select it. I'm going to only remove the word SKU. I'm going to keep it only sales by. And then I'm going to click on subtitle and then choose conditional formatting. A new window will open. We will choose field value format style and then we will go to the table sales by measure and choose the field sales by measure. Click OK and that's it. Voila! Now you'll notice that the subtitle changes automatically when we pick a different field from the slicer. So now we have a subtitle that is dynamic that changes according to whatever field we select in the field parameters slicer. That's it for today. See you next time. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another life-saving Power BI tip.